Today we're going to look at Explain Everything. On your iPad screen, it's going to be the white tile with the blue light bulb. When I open it, to start a new project, I'm going to hit the plus in the top left corner of my screen. And I'm going to select Blank Project. You're going to notice on the left-hand side of the screen, you have a toolbar. The top toolbar is a hand. It's like a mouse. Below that, you have a plus. This is where you can go to insert files, pictures, and videos. For example, if you wanted to take a picture, once you take your photo, it'll pop up on your screen. And you can resize it just by bringing your fingers together and spreading them apart. Below the hand, below the plus, the third one down is going to be the pen. You can click on that and you have some different color ink options, and it will allow you to write on your screen. So you can make notes, do annotations, identify things, etc. Below that, you're going to have a highlighter. So if you want to highlight something, an eraser, if you change your mind. You're going to have a color fill option, a shape insert option, and then next down after that will be the A. That's actually a text box insert. So if you're more comfortable typing something, then you can just use that option. Scissors if you need to cut something out. The X, if you want to get rid of a large object or item, you can just click the X, click the item, and get rid of it. If you change your mind, the very last option down the menu bar is going to look like a refresh icon, or maybe even almost a circle with the back arrow. If I click on that, it'll bring the last thing I just got rid of back. Below the X, you're going to see that you have a little bullseye, if you will. If I hold that, I'm going to see some pop-out options. If I want to use a pointer on my screen so that I make sure that somebody sees what I'm talking about, this is that tool. That can be particularly useful if you're going to screen record and explain everything. So you're going to notice right here on your screen, right down there, is a little red dot. When you click that, your screen will start recording, kind of like you're making a Khan Academy video. So you'll just click it, record, and then you'll click it again, and then you'll have a nice little video. It doesn't just have to be a video of one screen. In the bottom right corner of your screen, so right down here, you're going to see that you have a plus. If I hit that plus, it's going to give me a blank slide. But don't worry, you didn't lose what you did previously. In the bottom corner, you're going to notice now it says 2 of 2. So if I hit the little back button here, it's going to take me to my previous slide. It's kind of like Google Slides. When you're ready to share or save your end product, you're going to notice right up here in the top right corner, there is a square with an up arrow. That's your share option. You're going to click it. If you made a video, you'll click on video. If you just have slides with writing on them, you can just select a PDF. So if I select a video, it's going to prepare to share, and then it's going to give me some options. I can save the video. If I save the video, then it's going to save it locally to my iPad. I can also send it to YouTube. And I can also send it to my Google Drive. I can name it and it will save it to my drive. If you choose saving to Google or even saving to YouTube, it's going to require you to log into your Northside Google account. And that's just using your S number and your new 4x4. If you have just slides with writing, you're going to choose the PDF option. And again, you can save it locally to your iPad, you could email it to yourself, you could send it to your own Google Drive.